Every husband talks, but not every husband communicates. Talking fills the air, while communication fills the heart. And here's the truth many men never realize. Your marriage isn't shaped by how much you say. It's shaped by how deeply your words connect with your wife. When communication breaks, distance grows. When communication strengthens, unity forms. Brother, what if the biggest problem in your marriage is not what you say, but how you say it? Communication doesn't fail because of wrong words. It fails because of a disconnected heart. Your wife isn't longing for perfect phrases. She's longing for your presence, for your attention, for your understanding, and for your heart to be open, not guarded. Poor communication rarely sounds loud. It shows up subtly, saying, "I'm fine," nodding without listening, getting distracted mid-conversation, giving answers without engagement, or speaking without connecting. A marriage can survive bad days, but it cannot thrive without meaningful, intentional connection. James writes,
Let every man be swift to hear, slow to speak, slow to wrath. James 1:19.
"This is how covenant communication is forged. Listen first, speak with intention, and respond with self-control." This isn't just marriage advice, it's God's blueprint for building unity. Most husbands hear their wife's words. Very few hear what she's really saying. If you learn to do that, your entire marriage will shift. If you strengthen communication with your wife, almost every reoccurring conflict in your marriage becomes easier to resolve. Because clear communication creates connection, and connection creates that unity. Healthy communication rests on 3 pillars. First, attentiveness. Your presence speaks louder than your mouth ever could. Put the phone down, turn toward her, and show her your attention belongs to her. Number 2, clarity. Say what you mean with humility and honesty. Confusion creates distance. Clarity creates trust. And third, emotional steadiness. Your tone frames the entire conversation. A steady voice builds safety. A reactive voice builds walls. Communication isn't about winning a point. It's about strengthening a bond and understanding your wife's heart. Scripture shows communication as a pathway to wisdom and unity, never chaos or confusion.
The wise in heart will receive commands. Proverbs 10:8.
Wise men listen, wise men speak with purpose, and wise men build unity through understanding. Here's your transformation. When communication strengthens, everything in your covenant strengthens with it. Conflict becomes calmer, intimacy becomes deeper, your wife feels safer opening her heart, your home becomes more peaceful, and your leadership gains honor. A husband who communicates well doesn't talk more, he connects more deeply. And connection is what your wife truly craves. Tonight, ask your wife, what's one thing I can do that would help you feel more heard when we talk? Listen fully, no correcting, no explaining, just receive and adjust accordingly. Next week, we build on the foundation communication creates and forge the unity every covenant depends on. Communication is not a skill you master. It's a connection you refine, reinforce, and rebuild throughout the life of your covenant. So listen deep, speak with purpose, and build with intention. Forged in faith, bound by covenant, let's get to work.